We are here to discuss more than just policy. We are here to discuss the protection of human life and the preservation of our sovereign lands as African nations. For too long, the African continent has been treated as a destination for the world's hazardous remnants, unfortunately. For Somalia, the sound management of chemicals and the strengthening of waste systems is not merely an environmental goal. It is a cornerstone of our national security, our public health, and our future prosperity. Somalia has historically been on the front lines of environmental injustice, facing the devastating impacts of illegal dumping and the health crises that follow that. But today, the narrative is changing. Under our National Transformation Plan and our newly validated NDC 3.0, Somalia is aggressively mainstreaming environmental governance. We have moved from policy to practice. Our national environmental policy is now operational, and we are finalizing the environmental management bill to institutionalize the polluter pays principle. In our cities, with the support of supporters like UN Habitat, we're implementing local bylaws that specifically target the management of biomedical and solid waste. We recognize that while we contribute less than 0.02% of emissions, we remain one of the most vulnerable nations to the toxic intersection of climate change and chemical pollution. While Somalia has been a party of the Basel Convention, we recognize its limitations. The Basel Convention manages the movement of waste, whereas the Bamako Convention protects Africans from it. I am pleased to inform you that the Federal Republic of Somalia is in the final stages of the ratification of the Bamako Convention, following the Cabinet's landmark approval in 2022 of May. We view this as an important shield for our coastline and our communities. Central to this is the regional clearinghouse mechanism. We fully endorse this platform as a tool for radical transparency. By sharing data and validating waste flows in real time, we can ensure that no shipment of hazardous material enters our territory undetected. Strengthening our foundations of implementation means ensuring our customs officers, our scientists, and our local leaders have the digital tools they need to say no to toxic imports. Somalia stands ready to work with our fellow African nations. Let us build a continent where our progress is measured by the health of our children and the purity of our soil. Together we can ensure that Africa is never again the dumping ground, but a leader in the global green economy. Thank you.